Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make this web template using HTML CSS Flexbox. Okay, this is the header template. You can see this is very important stuff while you are doing the web pages, right? So let me do this one in simple 15 minutes. So I'm not going to do very fast. So if I do it very fast, you are not able to understand that. So here first I'm going to go to create a new file. So I go to the GIF drive. I'm going to write the HTML project. Here inside the folder I'm going to open it cmd, type on the address for cmd, press enter key and open the command prompt. You have to type code space dot to open the VS Code editor. This is simple way to open the VS Code editor. Now I'm going to go to create the HTML project. Very simple. Click on this icon index.html. Right. So here order the shift key down on press 1. You can get this mark to implement the HTML standards. This is a HTML5 standard, right? So simply you have to write it over here. So how to do this one in Figma to HTML? So how to convert this one? Simply you have to convert this one. This is the desktop version. So you can see how to do the thing simply. First what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the navbar section. You have to write the div, one div, open and close bracket. This one you have to call as a navbar. What is? It's called as a navbar section. The class you have to call as a navbar. Nav. Inside this navbar, first you have to focus on how many items available. So here you can see this is the we have to call it as one item. This is one, right? This is second one. You can see this second one. This is the third one. We have 3 items. This is the icon. This is the one button. This is the text, right? So these are the 3 items. First you have to focus on the items. This is a must. This is a very must. So how to separate the other one? Very simple. You have to separate one. You have to put it to 3 divs. You have to write div, the short form 3. Okay. Now here what I'm going to do is first div, second div, and third div. The first div what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the thing is you have to make it as a 3 things. Div, first div, and second div, third div. Because we have a separate. The first div, this separate. The first div consists of 3 elements. What are the 3 elements? You can get them these 3 things. So 3 things you have to get. You have to get them. Double click on it. This one you have to type on it. So I'm going to just copy and paste it. First one is a first one. Second one is the second one. Third one. Third one. That's the thing you have to write. Now let's file save all. If you are not yet installed the live server, you can go to the extension here. Here you have to type live server extension and you install them. Here this one. Click on it and install them. After that you can live your project anytime. Very simple, right? So after that you right click and open the live server. You will be able to see the live. Here it is a default. Now what I'm going to see here. After that we have to styling this one. Very simple stuff. So we have to style this one. Okay. After done the stuff, you have styling. Before you have styling, everything you have to write it. This one, second one is a button. You have to write the button. This one should be click here. After that, third one is a icon. Third div is a icon. Okay, the first div, second div, third div is a icon. There is now fourth div, third div is icon. This icon you have to bring them You have to go simply icon 8.com here. Simply you have to write the close icon. This one. This is a close icon. You can get this one and just click on it. What is the color they are giving? Okay. Yes. This one no. You can get this one. Oh, this one is good. So color also you have to adjustment as here as you have to select as a white. Okay, white color. And make this one as a white. Done. So white color. Now what I am going to see white color. I am going to copy this link to PNG. Right. So back to our project. To paste on it. Sorry. You have to paste here you have to paste on it. That here right here it's right here right image src. You write like this and you have to paste on it. Or this one. Let's check on it. It's coming, but you can the width and height you can adjust the width and height with 100, height 50. Let's check on it. Width also 50. You can write 50. Height also 50. It's also too much. You write it here 20 and 28. But it's also. So everything's fine. Now that thing is fine. Now let's do the styling part. That's the most important part of our program is the styling. So how to make the styling. Styling we have to do within the page. Okay, we have simple design we are doing. Okay, if it is a entire website, you can create the separate file to maintain it. So don't put into the entire website inside that same HTML page. You have to maintain with the separate page. Okay, so this is the simple. We have a two section we are going to edit, so that we have the two section we have included the same file rather than we have created another one. Okay, right? So it is easy. Okay, you have to do it right. So what I'm going to first step, you have styling. You have to create the styling tags. After that, what I'm going to do is I have to do the thing is simple is you have to write first one. You have the body tag. Body, open and close it. Here you have to write margin 0, padding 0. Second one, dot navbar, open and close it. Here you have to write to implement the display flags. To implement the Flexbox. This is very important stuff. Justify container center. You have to write justify container. You have to make it as center. You have to make it as center. You have to need a center screen. You have to write a padding 10. Gap. You have to make it as 50. Gap. Let's check. Background color. You have to write it some this background color. I am focused on this background color. I am going to focus on this one. This color. So I click on it. What's color? This color code. Copy it. Back to your project. You have to put it here along with the hash sign. Then only the color should be applied. Otherwise, it won't apply. Tap it successfully. After that, this one should be the background color. This one should be the our text color should be white. So let's Control S to save all and bring back to the application. Check here. It's coming. It's working successfully. It's working successfully. Why what's happened? By say another duels are started. This div is starting here, close it here. This div is started, close it. Here we have write div started. That's a problem. Okay, now it's okay. Here, see. Make sure the design is going according to the way. You have to check it whether you are going according to the requirements. Okay, that is what is the design you have we have shown in the Figma. The same design you have to implement that as well as a HTML page. Okay, so you have to keep on, you have to observe the design. What is the design is going on? What is your design? That's the best time. If you are, the design is here, it's different. You are going to code it different. It's not good. Okay, that is not an efficient way to do the program. Ultimately, the customer will be cancel the project. So the what is the design going on? The same design you have to do it, right? So then now it's we have to do the things. So this is the things I have did it. So after that, what I'm going to do is we have to make the style. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that second one. This is the second one, second div. This div, I'm going to make it as a styling part. I'm going to make it the styling part so that we have to do it here as what the things you have to do it. Right, you have to make it as implemented as a class text. Class text, you have to implement the class text. Text we have to going to do the thing is here dot text. Open, close it. Okay, first you have to display flags, justify container, center, padding 10x, background color, blue color, after that color white, so that background color here we need not a big color. This one should be the color should be changed as black. Control save. You have to change this one. So background color you have to make it as this one as a so background color we don't need the background color, only the this one should be of white, make it as white. It's okay. Here it's working successfully. It's working according to the way. So that what's the thing is going on, that things div close div right, the text you have to make the 3 elements. Why it's that gap property is not working, right? That div cat right. After that, we have to design the button. You have to write button. Text property we don't have a gap, so we have to give the gap. Here you can see here we don't have a gap. You have to write the gap. There's a property called gap. 20 pixel. Control is to save. Bring back to the application. Check here. The gap is now it's working fine. After that, that would be fine. The second one here is a navbar. Also we have to left the gap. We need a gap also as well here. 30 pixel after gap. We have gap. Okay, simple gap over here. We are let's do the 50. It's fine. The gap should be fine. Now what I'm going to do is the gap also the fine, right? So if you have to increase the gap, you will be able to increase the gap little bit. You have to have 70. Here it's possible. Here it's increase the gap. Now we have done the things well. Now what I'm going to say after that, what I'm going to do is I want to do the remaining stuff. We have to do this button should be coming mid. So we have to do the button part. Okay, so we have to do the button part as well. Okay, now this is the application. You have to write button. You have to simply button, because the button is already, this is the keyword. You don't need to type the button. So button, open and close bracket. Here you have to write the thing is background color of the button. You have to write this color. This color you have get them. This is how you have get the color of the big bar. Once you're doing the design, get this one, the color is coming here. After that, what I'm doing color. After that, you have the color. You have the background color. The color should be black. Padding 10 to 20. This one should be. It is meaning of top to left. This one should left to right. Right. So that's the padding. So border radius. You're right. That's here 10 pixels. That's it. Let's back to the application. It's working successful. We done the design successfully. Right. So now here this one is a icon. Icon also we have to make the changes. So we have the icon. Icon also we have to choose this color. So this color we have to make as that white. It's not coming to white. So write this img tag. Let's check it. Just img tag. Color white. Let's check it. Why it's not changing the color? You also have to write the property called style color white. Let's like this one. It's not color. So though you don't worry about this coloring. So the color here, the color is coming here. The color, so white color code, here is the color code white. With this color code you have to apply it here. This is the color code. Now that bring to the application here, it's working. Okay, first you have to think about that one. It is we can or not, we have to think about that one, right? So if it is thing, you will be able to do the things. Perfect. I hope you guys would have these things well. And next one I'll be going to teach next tutorial. Thank you for watching.